Growing on YouTube is not as easy as creating a YouTube channel. A lot goes into it. It doesn't matter if you're creating the best content, but if you don't get the basics right, you will get nowhere. Many people start YouTube with the hope of making money, but unfortunately, if you haven't met the requirements, you can't make money. Hello guys, welcome back to me talk about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can reach 4,000 watch hours fast and get 1,000 subscribers. If you don't know this already, I started this channel in April this year and I got monetized 5 months later. Before I share my tips with you, please don't forget to hit the like button and of course subscribe for future videos. Number 1, family and friends. When you're starting out on YouTube, your first goal is not to make money, but to reach 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, because those are YouTube requirements that you need to meet before you start making money. As a beginner, your first support system should be your friends and your family. You need to ask your friends and your family to subscribe to your YouTube channel, even if they won't be watching your content. Your friends and family will support you even if your content is not the best. Of course, you won't get watch hours because most of them, they won't be watching your content anyways. But you need those few subscribers at the beginning, and I'll tell you why. If someone teaches how to make money and they find your video with 3 subscribers, they click out and they click on the next video with the same title, but this video has 50 subscribers, they are most likely to subscribe to that channel with 50 subscribers than that one with 3 subscribers, even if it's the same title. That's why you need your family and friends to subscribe to your YouTube channel, so that when people come to your channel, they can see that there are already subscribers there, and that will trigger them to also subscribe. When I started my YouTube channel, I was asking my friends, I posted on my WhatsApp, I asked my family members to subscribe, even though I knew that some of them wouldn't watch. And when I reached 50 subscribers, my subscribers kept on increasing and increasing. More people started realizing that my channel has audience, and they also voluntarily subscribed. If making money on this platform is one of your goals, you need to bury that shyness and ask people to subscribe. Number 2, Facebook groups. If you are a person with not so many friends, you may be struggling to get even 10 subscribers. That's why you have to use Facebook groups to get more people to subscribe to your YouTube channel. It's not your school Facebook group or community Facebook group that's going to help you, but you need to go to Facebook groups with small YouTubers like you. When you go to Facebook groups with small YouTubers who will do anything to get an additional subscriber, you will get the support. This method of growing on YouTube has both advantages and disadvantages. Let's start with the disadvantage of using Facebook groups. These people that you're asking to subscribe to your YouTube channel, they will subscribe because you're also going to be subscribing to their channel, but most of them, they will never come back again to watch your videos. And it's not because they hate you, but they just don't care. You begged them to subscribe to your YouTube channel and they did that. They're not going to come back and watch your videos if they didn't find you through their search or maybe suggested videos. The good news is an additional subscriber has the potential to attract another subscriber, which is what you need to gain trust. Number 3, consistent posting and playlists. What if now you've reached 1,000 subscribers but you're struggling to reach 4,000 watch hours? When you're starting out on YouTube and you don't get views, you tend to get discouraged. Just ask yourself, what's the point of posting if no one is watching? If you really want to grow on this platform, you need to post consistently even if no one is watching. Every time you post, you must add that video to your channel's playlist and you must share that playlist link with your friends. Ask your friends and family members to play your playlist on mute. When I started out, I used to share my playlist with my friends, my family, even my WhatsApp contacts. I used to annoy people and beg them to play my playlist on mute. If you're a student, ask other students around you to play your playlist even when they're just studying in the university or in the library. Think about this. If you have a playlist with 6 videos and each video is 10 minutes, that's 1 hour playlist. And if you take that link and distribute it to 10 people and ask 10 friends or 10 family members to play that playlist, that's 10 hours of watch time. That's why it's very, very important to create playlists and ask people to play your playlist. Of course, not everyone's going to play it, but at least if you ask people, then there is a chance that someone will play it. So it doesn't matter if you're getting views or not, just keep on posting and put those videos to your playlist and then send it to people. Don't underestimate the power of playlists. I reached my watch hours fast because I kept on annoying people, asking people to play my playlist. Number 4, live videos. This is one of the quickest ways to reach 4,000 watch hours. Unfortunately, not everyone has access to unlimited Wi-Fi, so not everyone can go live whenever they like. But if you have unlimited Wi-Fi or you stay in a university residence, you need to go live. But what do I do when I go live? Well, it depends on your niche. If, for example, your channel is about fitness or eating healthy, you can go live and exercise live for 1 hour or for 2 hours with your audience. If your channel is about food, you can go live and cook with your audience. When I started this channel, most people were writing exams, myself included. So what I did was I would go live and I would study live with my audience. And this motivated me to study for longer, but also it motivated other people who are also students to study with me. You may be saying, but what if if I only have 2 views on my live? Well, it doesn't matter. You still have to go live even if you have 1 view, even if you have no view, and I'll tell you why. You have to go live even if no one is watching you. You can go live and do your 1-hour exercises or your 2-hour exercises, or you can go live and study for 3 hours. At the end of that live, you have to save the live, and when you save the live, you can add that live to your playlist and take that link to your friends and family. Even if you didn't get any views during the live session, the fact that you saved that live and then you gave that playlist to your friends, maybe to your 10 friends, that's 50 hours of watch hours. The problem is most people care so much about what other people are gonna say. You don't wanna go live because you are scared that 1 or 2 people are gonna join your live, or you go live and then you only see 1 person joining or no one joining, then you decide to end your live. You need to focus. You need to focus on the end goal. Even if no one is joining, continue to do your exercise for 1 hour so that you can save that live and send to your friends. Stop caring about what other people are gonna say. People will always have something to say. Your goal here is to get 4,000 watch hours, not to see who joined or how many people joined. Number 5, comment on other YouTubers' videos, especially small YouTubers. When you comment on other YouTubers' videos, you must leave a comment related to the video and also say something about your YouTube channel or about your niche. In most cases, you will find other small YouTubers in that YouTube channel and they'll want to support you because they want you to support them. Commenting on other small YouTubers' channels is very, very important. You'll find people in the same phase as you and people who need the support as much as you need it. There are things you should never do, no matter how desperate you are. Never pay for likes, subscribers, or views. YouTube is a big company with enough resources to see when you are trying to cheat the system. There are a lot of companies online that promise to sell you 4,000 watch hours or likes, and you can be tempted to pay for those things, but never pay for those things, because if you pay for those watch hours and subscribers and YouTube finds out, they may terminate your channel or they will reduce your watch hours to 0. So everything that you've worked for will go back to 0. Please stay away from those companies that promise to sell you likes, subscribers, or views. Also, if you buy likes, subscribers, or views, you may get away with it and maybe you don't get caught, but once you get monetized, you won't be getting money. All those people that were paid to subscribe to your YouTube channel, they are not going to be coming back to watch your videos, and if no one is watching your videos and you're not getting money, so it's just pointless. Don't do it. Secondly, never watch your own videos, no matter how desperate you are. Never watch your videos or your playlist. Only send your playlist or videos to other people, but do not use your own laptop or your own phone, because YouTube can see IP address of each and every view, so they will find out that you are watching your own videos or your own playlist and they may punish you. Never post third-party content because you want to have long playlists. When you add someone's videos to your playlist, even if it's in your channel, those views and watch hours will go to the owner of those videos. Lastly, please focus on creating valuable content. It takes just 1 video to blow up. If people see that 1 video, they're gonna go to your old videos. If they see that you're always creating good content, they will subscribe. Understand that YouTube is not easy and it takes time. That being said, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other questions, comment down below and I'll try to reply as soon as I can.